Welcome to the last lecture of Module 3. Dear learners, we are having a journey of learning related with our course, The Art and Science of Marketing from Basics to Breakthrough. Now, what we are going to deal in the last lecture of Module 3 related with case studies, how companies react to environmental changes. I, Dr. Asutosh Mohan, at Institute of Management Studies, Banaras Hindu University, welcome you again to the journey of understanding the details of marketing, and in this module the details related with the environmental factor. Let's see some real examples to understand it more precisely. So, what's the learning objective? Understand what constitute environmental changes in business, the first learning objective. Then we try to understand or not to understand, we want to analyze the real world corporate responses to changes. And finally, we want to learn the strategic model used in adapting to change. How can we do the same? Let's have a very small start story. A disrupted delivery, that's what we witnessed during COVID. In 2020, Ravi ran a local courier business. It's a real story. Local courier business that collapsed during the COVID lockdown. But a competitor of Ravi, relatively small in nature, he pivoted to medical supply delivery and thrived. Ravi was not ready to go for medical supply delivery, but the competitor understood the need at that point of time and thrived. What it represents? Whosoever is adapting, it's not adopting, it's adapting with the requirement of market changes. They are bound to survive and they are bound to grow and win the marketplace. So, what's the environmental changes? We have to understand changes in the external business environment that affect our operation. Maybe any of those macro environmental factor. We definitely didn't use the word pestle, but include all those 6 environmental factors, whether political, economic, socio-cultural, technological. All those factors are affecting the changes, and those factors are creating certain changes in our operation. That's what we need to understand. Maybe the certain examples of environmental factors, COVID-19 pandemic most prominent, which disrupted the entire business organization across the world. We never ever witnessed this kind of severity. We never ever witnessed this kind of closure. How the organization survived, how the organization adapted. Climate change policies, again one big issue which is happening. The natural calamities, the natural disasters which are happening. Now let us take about the skill set, the digital transformation, the changing pattern of the consumer, the changing things related with the uses of AI. Everyone is bothering what is going to be the impact of AI. We need to have understanding of AI. Remember, we have to go for upskilling or cross-skilling. We need not to have a fear of AI. Those who are having a fear of AI, they will bound to perish. But if you integrate this AI in your functioning, you may get a wonderful success. You may enjoy the beauty of AI. So, government regulations, that is obvious. Whenever there are any changes, whether it's a GDPR, labor law, whatever the changes are there, we have to understand the details, we have to understand the things, and accordingly we have to adopt the same. So there is one technique through which we can do, that is called scenario planning. Now scenario planning is talking in terms of impact and it's talking in terms of uncertainty. Whether the impact is high, the uncertainty is high, and accordingly we may have the different set of scenario A, B, C, D. So what actually it talks about? It talks about if uncertainties are high and the impact is also high, then we may have a scenario B under which we have to work for. There may be a scenario when uncertainty is low and impact is also low, so we may wait and watch and relatively have some smooth functioning without too much of bothering. But if impact is high and uncertainty is low, still there is a concern, there is a botheration by the organization to look for. Similarly, in scenario D, when uncertainty is very high even though impact is low, but uncertainty is creating a kind of confusion, a kind of mental stress, a kind of scenario where organization is not sure what to do, what not to do. So, these are the different scenario which organization need to understand what's the impact and what's the level of uncertainty. If they are able to categorize, it's easier for you to have a different policy set, different strategy set and adopt as per the situation. That is what scenario planning talks about. Now, there is one more strategy framework that is called Agile strategy framework. What exactly it is? You have to anticipate, you have to respond, you have to adapt, and this cycle keeps on moving. It keeps on giving the different learning, let's say iterative learning, and you keep on learning the different elements over a period of time. So, what you have to do? You have to anticipate. You have to respond. Certain time this response is a kind of dramatic change. Certain time it's a simple adaptation, maybe slight adaptation in your practices. And accordingly, this cycle will keep on iterating and making you learn certain things. So, Agile strategy framework is related with short planning sprints. It requires cross-functional team. It have a 5 fast feedback loops, and quick adjustments are a necessity for Agile strategy framework. Now, let us have a case study. OTT adapted via streaming, theaters are struggling. That is a fact. Similarly, Tesla's proactive response to clean energy demand. That is a fact. Tesla in world, Tata Motors in India recognize the requirement of clean energy automobiles. They worked and they are enjoying the benefits. Eco packaging, fair sourcing, climate neutrality, these are the other concerns which organizations are taking into consideration. And those who are going to be taking these into consideration at first go, first move, they will have the advantage at the marketplace. That is what we need to understand. Now, what is the summary? What we understand with this small lecture, just to make you understand how beautiful it is for organization to understand the changes and adapt accordingly. So, environmental changes are inevitable, that is a fact. Scenario and agile models offer proactive tools. Learning from adaptive companies is an essential element, and we have to have understand this particular phenomena. For you, a mini assignment in terms of select an environmental change and describe how company adapted. I am giving you a clue. Just think about a COVID-19 and think about how beautifully this e-commerce developed under the pandemic and how beautifully might be even your local vegetable vendor is having an app or providing you mobile number to order and deliver at your doorstep. Possible. If you have further interest, go for Agile strategy in post-COVID era. It's a beautiful article by Forbes. Go for it and you will learn many more things. Thank you for your attention. Thanks a lot. So, it completes the module 3 with 5 lectures. Next module, we will start the strategic dimensions or strategy, marketing strategy formulation with the first component, that is segmentation, targeting and positioning. Thanks again.